Welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I'm super excited to open the Beachly Women's Summer Box, Summer 2022. I have not been peeking, and I'm super excited about this box because my very first Beachly box, you can check it out up here, was my first time to encounter the Beachly brand, even though I've kind of like cyber stalked them for a little bit, and I really like the box. So I'm excited to see what box number 2 has, and it's a summer beach box. I mean, I feel like it's got to be awesome. If you're new around here or new to Beachly, Beachly is a quarterly subscription. It's $99 a quarter, and they do offer prepaid discounts, meaning if you subscribe for a year, you're going to pay less per box than if you just went quarter to quarter. Shipping is $4.95 in the US, including Hawaii and Alaska, and $11.95 over to Canada. I have a great coupon code, you guys. Pink Envelope gets you $30 off your first box. So if you've even been thinking about trying this box, with that coupon code, it totally makes it worth it. And in each box, you get 6 to 8 premium beach-inspired apparel, accessories, lifestyle products. Beach essentials, coastal home decor, skin and hair care, healthy and active living products, good vibes, and more. Proceeds from each box sold fund beach cleanups hosted by Sea Trees, which I think is awesome that they do that. The box itself is super happy. Huge spoiler, like everything's right here, and I am already in love. So mind you, the box is $100? Let's just say $100, that's easier. I'm already seeing a bag and a shirt in here. This shirt is so cute. Look at the back. And then the front says Team Aloha on the pocket. Y'all, this shirt is insanely soft. Like super, super, super soft. I love that it is like the square fit. So like, see me holding it up here? It's definitely gonna be one that is really great to tie up on the side or wear it with just bikini bottoms or front tuck it with some high-waist mom shorts. I'm loving the chill cut of this, the looser cut. Now, as someone who is in Texas, it is 107 degrees outside. A looser thin cut tee is an essential. So I am loving this. This is a small medium, and it looks like it's going to be perfect. It is designed in Hawaii, and it's 100% cotton. So amazing, amazing start with this Team Aloha shirt. I love that. I'm grabbing this next because, oh my goodness gracious, this bag is so cute. It's by 19 Palms. Let me get the straps. They trickily have the straps in here. This is going to be one of those bags my kiddos are going to want to take from me in a heartbeat, especially my little fashionista. She's going to see this bag and flip out. So here you go. It has like regular handles to carry it like this. Look how cute that is. But you totally can wear it as a backpack as well. And I don't know if you can see because it's all a little crinkled from being in the box. It's adjustable. So like you can tighten and loosen the straps right here. And in the back. Oh my gosh, look. And on the back right here. So it adjusts in 2 different spots. The woven material is awesome. It is really awesome. I think, hold on. I think it's like an ice chest. Like the bags that are like it's that thick lining that looks like it will keep things cool. Hold on. I don't know because this is an influencer box that they send me here. I don't know if they're supposed to be like a oh my gosh. When I lifted this, I just saw another amazing item. Hold on. We're going to get there. Let me look this guy up. Hold a second. Okay, you guys, I could not find anything online, but I called my husband in here, and he pointed out the tag inside says a insulated picnic backpack. The outside is 100% jute lining. The inside is 100% vinyl with 100% polyurethane something, basically meaning you can throw cold drinks in here and they're going to stay cold for a bit. Because, I mean, can you see how cute it is on the inside? It's got a great print, but it's thick. Like it's really good. This is so cute. So beach ready, so swimming pool ready, river, lake, I don't care where you go. This is fabulous. And literally you could hose this down. I mean, jute and this lining, super, super easy. I am so excited about this. Okay, and I happen to know this brand, this XIX Palms. I've always said 19 Palms. I'm assuming that's the name. Is an amazing brand. I've had their stuff before. I love their brand. And then this Guava Shop, I've never had anything from Guava Shop before, but I have seen them around, and I think they're also another premium brand, which is crazy. Also, by the same brand is this guy, Honolulu, Hawaii-based brand, which I absolutely love. The colors on this are gorgeous. Is this like a sarong or a wrap? I don't, it looks like a sarong to me. So like, here is the print on it. It's gorgeous. It has tassels on the 4 corners only. So here's a tassel. And I mean, with these, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but there's a ton of ways to wear these. Let's see. Oh, it says it's a throw blanket with tassel. Okay, totally can see how you could throw this on the beach and it'd be a throw blanket. But legit, this is what I was thinking. With these different ones, you can get them and tie them up like this. And with the tassels and stuff, it is so cute. So you could do a simple tie right here and have them come down super easy. But one of my favorites, let's see if this one will do it, is gotta get it cooperating. Okay, let's see. So like literally it's just wrapped around the back right here. You crisscross in the front. Oh, is it gonna be long enough? Oh yeah, it is. And then you tie it in the back. I got some big old poofy hair right now, so it's gonna be tricky. And then you wear it like this in a crisscross pattern to the beach and swimming. Now it's tight and I'm like a size small. So I don't know for L sizes or if you have ladies, if this concept will work. But you could totally wear it as a tied up sarong. Of course, you could totally wear it around your waist with a bikini top. Oopsies. With a bikini top and then it tied like this. I love these. I also like this. Don't get me wrong. We all know I love, love, love myself a Turkish towel. Like, love Turkish towels. But I have been receiving a lot of those. So I am actually pretty stoked to receive an option that could totally work as a towel that is more thin and blanket-like that could also be worn as a sarong. Might I also add, matches our bag right here. Here are the two together. So it's so chic and creates a very cute little matching set. Once again, $99 for this. And if you use the coupon code, it comes down to what? $69? I haven't even pulled out the part that I freaked out about a second ago. We'll pull it out in a minute. What is this guy? Magi? M-A-A-J-I-C? I don't know, magic? How would you say that? This has a retail value of $20, and it is a women's hairband. Let me see. I got 3 girls in this household. We're always using hairbands. Can I just say, they use real brands. These are not obscure brands. None of this is like hypothetical. These are really well-known brands, great products, made of great materials, and I think that is what I love about this box. Oh, and they're like so beachy, like items really from beach towns like Honolulu, Hawaii. Okay, so this guy literally is a scrunchie. So you can put your hair back into a scrunchie and then you can tie any type of bow you want. You also could put your hair back in a scrunchie, bring this back around and tie it in a headband. The print is like blue and purple with touches of green inside. I think it's beautiful with little girls. We wear a lot of these, especially on days where maybe we haven't been washing our hair consistently on lake days, river days, back-to-back pool days, and we're trying to control flyaways. Anything that ties really helps. This is super cute. Looks great color-wise with the t-shirt. I'm going to show you the amazing thing last. Earth Harbor, another brand we've had a lot of that is really, really great. Here's this guy here. This is the Nymph Nectar, a superfruit radiant balm in sea fruit and super berries. And here is that guy there. It says, as a moisturizer, emulsify a tiny dollop between your fingers and gently massage into your face, neck, and décolletage. As a sleeping mask for the last step in your nightly skincare routine, apply a generous layer, massage in, let absorb for 10 minutes as a rescue repair treatment by scooping out a small dollop and massaging the skin. So it seems to have a few different uses. I've never tried this particular product before. I just know the brand is amazing. I looked this item up online, and this guy has a retail value of $38, which is, I was going to say 40, because this product is really good. So we've got $38 here. We've got $20 here. So here's $58 worth of products. I don't even know how much this bag is, but an insulated backpack this chic has to be, I mean, in the 60s. It has to be. You can go buy the like basic ones at the grocery store, and they're like $45, $50. Okay. Look at this item, you guys. That is freaking adorable. Made from ethically sourced bamboo, a Beachly exclusive product, the Monstera Engraved Bamboo Board. You guys, if you know anything, you know I love my plants. You know I love my Monstera plants. This is so stinking cute. This is going to be fabulous for design. Obviously, you can use it as well. I'm not going to lie. I don't want to chop it up. So I have a feeling this one's going to be a little more design worthy for me. It's just so cool. It's so unique. You know I love my home decor. I freaking love this box, you guys. I think this box is phenomenal. And when this one came in, Jonathan's like, where's the men's box? And I was like, oh, I don't know. We didn't talk about it. He's like, I loved my last Beachly men's box. So y'all tell me, should I order him a Beachly men's box? I will open it here on the channel. Maybe we can get Jonathan to come along. So y'all comment below and let me know what you think. If you are looking for a touch of beach in your life, I am giving this box, this is only my second one, but I'm giving it a huge thumbs up. Price point, value, quality, curation. I have been very impressed with all of it. They do have Beachly trading groups on Facebook. So I was trading different things. The house shoes that one of you guys sent me that I love with all of my heart are also a Beachly product. So although I haven't been a subscriber for long, I have been hanging out in their groups and individually getting their products for about a year now. And I have to say, they're fabulous. Okay, you guys, I have so many more unboxings coming your way. I have a really cool puzzle subscription. I have a great skincare subscription that is focused on skincare for the summer, which kind of matches this theme. I've got like a mystery pop-up box from a home decor company. Lots of good things. So if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to be hanging out playing with all of those, testing the quality, testing the values, seeing what we think about things. You can hit the little bell if you want the notifications for when I post. And if you really want the DL and the nitty gritty on all the things we're doing, go down below and join my private Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. July is my birthday month, and we are doing all sorts of crazy things in there. We'll do some things over here as well, but when celebrating my birthday, I want to celebrate with my most intimate friends, and my most intimate friends are hanging out in that group. So you can head that way to join and check out more. I hope that you guys really do have an amazing day, and if you subscribe to the channel, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.